Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today on Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. Hey, this video is for Rancho Suspension. I want to give those guys a big shout out for the great product that they offer. And on my Jeep, that's the RS9000XL shocks. It's an adjustable shock that's made in the USA and has a lifetime warranty. And it has an extremely large shock shaft, like a 18 millimeter shock shaft, so it's very durable. But anyways, these are adjustable, and all day today on the trail, we were running over rocks the size anywhere from like baseball, softball, all the way up to like basketball size rocks. And the adjustability of the shocks really helped absorb some of that energy. I had the shocks turned all the way down on like setting number 2, which is one setting from the softest. And it really helped keep some of that energy from being shoved into the Jeep and jarring us around. I think y'all can relate when you're out on the trail and you're running over rocks and whatnot. It can jar you around pretty good in the vehicle. But also these shocks, you know, when we get back out on the pavement, I can dial them back up to my preferred setting for pavement, and that's setting number 5. If you tow anything with your vehicle, you can always take the shocks in the rear and adjust the setting all the way up. The highest setting is number 9, which will help stiffen up the back end for the extra tongue weight and payload. But such a great shock. I think I got these around about 112, 114 bucks a piece, and so far they've been well worth the money. They've been on the Jeep for maybe 5 months, 6 months, somewhere around in there. But just a huge shout out to Rancho Suspension and the RS9000XL shocks. Thanks.